Okay, welcome in MacGyver Engineering. Recently there is no videos whatsoever, and it's not that I'm not recording, I just don't put it all together. I think I took on myself a little bit too much of a chore with this whole assembly of this video, so I decided maybe I will send from time to time something shorter, and that would do the trick. I need to do some deal of sharing, right? If I watch other stuff on YouTube. Okay, so the idea is, as you can see, this is the shaft with a keyhole. And I'm not gonna go into all the details how I made it, but basically that was a shaft from an old washing machine. It was with a spline, and I turned it down to a round one using nothing more but my drill press and blade from an old disc, from a wood cutting machine with a carbide at the end. I was really surprised. I took about 3 millimeters out of the diameter, maybe 4 millimeters, including the spline. And then I cutted this keyhole here with a small grinder, actually using the kitchen blender, let's say, with the disc attachment. Yeah, and what I want to share right now is yet another use for the table saw blades. So right now I inserted this here. Yeah, now you can see. It's just a piece of one tooth cut off from a disc from a table saw blade, round one, and I just inserted it into the drill chuck, and right now I'm on a stage of cutting the keyhole to accommodate it's not easy to start this one because either it slips or it doesn't. Okay, I think I got it. Yeah, you need 2 hands for that. I hope I will be able to give some tension on the table while pushing this one down. Yeah, and as you can see, the chips are collecting on the bottom of it. Of course, this piece of aluminum is nothing especially strong. It's my own, melt down, and I'm going to make it into a pulley. So after cutting this key, I'm gonna install it on this shaft, and I'm gonna make it. Okay, so after scoring it up to, let's say, 3-4 millimeters depth, I really had to take it off this one because it was, acting up too much. But because it was already dressed really nice, I use basically a chisel and another blade a little bit longer, and basically I hammered out the entire key, and right now this is solid. And right now I'm going to use my vise to turn it down into a pulley.